Here is how you can combine multiple spreadsheets using AI. Quite often in the financial job or any job related to finance like sales, you would have multiple reports or data in multiple spreadsheets. In the following example, I have certain stock analysis in one spreadsheet and another stock analysis in another spreadsheet. And I would like to merge them. And I'm going to show you how to do that easily with AI. So first of all, I have two of my files ready here. I'm selecting only first few rows from the first file, and I'm going to select first few rows from the second file. Also, make sure that you have both of these files downloaded as CSV. You don't have to use Google Sheet, you might use your Excel or any other preferred spreadsheet software. Once you have some data copied, go to chatgpt.com and insert the following prompt. Based on the following sample data, could you create a Python script that I can run inside Google Colab to combine relevant data together? Download a new CSV file and show me a nice graph to interpret data easier. For the nice graph part is not really necessary, so it's up to you if you want to have certain analysis, but the following part is very important. First, specify file 1 and then insert the data that you copied. Only few rows is fine, and then specify file 2 and insert the data from file 2. Once you do that, ChatGPT will start to generate some Python script that I will show you how to run later. You don't have to be scared. We can use AI all the way through to guide us how to use it. Once we have the code, go to collab.research.google.com, click on the File button here, and then click on New Notebook in Drive. This will create a new workspace that you can use to run your Python script. Once you have that, upload your files by clicking on the directory folder here on the sidebar, and just drag and drop your files. In my case, I have file1.csv, file2.csv. Then you can just copy paste the code that ChatGPT provided you. It's very important to let ChatGPT know what file names that you have so that it can match the file that you upload in the code. As you can see here, in my case, it kind of reads file1.csv and then it reads file2.csv. Now once you paste your code, simply click Run button and then it will run your code. And let me just scroll it down a little bit and you'll be able to see this nice graph. But most importantly, it downloaded the file for me that has merged data. So if I open that file real quick, you can see this is exactly the data that I have with all the columns merged together. Now, when you are in Google Colab, sometimes at the bottom here, whenever you click on the Run button, it will show some errors, so it will not work as expected. When that happens, don't panic. Just copy paste the entire error, go to ChatGPT and ask it, hey, I got this error, please help me to fix it. And whenever it provides you some code, just replace it with the following code and click on the Run button again until it works. It's a very simple process, eventually you will get it. I think this is one of the simplest forms to actually merge different files with different structures. However, if you would like to automate it, you can actually try to automate it and turn it into your own side hustle. And if you do that, you can either contact us to help you to build that software, or you can build it yourself and then go to findusers.ai to actually find your clients, users who will actually use your software. Thank you. Good luck.